So for this project I'll be using this homemade 2mm silver wire, and start by using some round pliers to create one large ring. We make a cut-off point, connect the two ends and solder them together. Whilst that ring cools down, we go about making the second ring, roughly a centimetre shorter in diameter than the first ring, and go about the same process to get it soldered together. With both rings made, we then use a mandrel to give them their circular shape. By placing the small ring over the large one, I mark off where I want the small ring to fit and mark it off. The two parts are then soldered together. And the excess from the small ring is cut off. With the crescent moon shape now formed, I go about filing the rough edges and connecting a jump ring. With the jump ring connected, the last thing to do is sand down and polish the piece. And there you have it, the making of a silver crescent moon. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.